Welcome back. I am back. Got a quick trick. If you're trying to do the baking soda on a vertical surface, what I did is I put it in the straw. You can see that. Yeah, this straw here with a 45-degree angle on it. I kind of put it up against the crack itself. Dab some on there. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's kind of tough, but give me a second there. All right, so I dab some on. There we go. And then I just sort of rub it in there with my thumb, like so, until it fills up the gap. But you can see where I already started up there, but this is like an example of how it does it. So once I put the super glue on there, it's going to absorb that and create like a rock hard resin seal that'll ensure that this thing's going to seal overnight or before I fill it up with water. So